guys, welcome back to my channel. Showing you guys the kit here. It's called XOXO from Sadie stickers with rose gold. If you guys don't know, it's my favorite. I got some date dots, then some stickers from Nikki plus 3 plus Goldmine CoCo. But jumping right into it, just want to flip to it. You get a little peek of my previous spreads. We're doing the week of Valentine's Day week, the 10th to the 16th. So just throwing on my date dots here. Just kind of boring. Maybe I should cut this out of the video. Yeah, so what do you guys have planned for this week? I try to be as low-key and go out the least amount of times because I had like a head cold. The absolute worst. So I don't know, still feel a little congested and sound a little nasally, so still trying to take it easy even though I have to go to work tomorrow when I'm filming this, well, doing the voiceover rather. But I want to get it all set up so it can actually be up tomorrow on Valentine's Day. I thought it was very fitting considering tomorrow also happens to be one of my good girlfriend's birthday. So I gotta make sure I let her know happy birthday. And here I realized you can really see those dark lines, so I went back to wipe them out with my BIC Correction Tape. And then I went back to putting down the bottom washi, which I think is like kind of cute. But now that I'm looking at, like, as I was doing editing and stuff, I realized that how they were on the sheet and how I laid them down are the reverse. So I wonder, of course my heat comes on, so I wonder if it would have been different to put it, I don't know, just a observation I now have. But this is the first time I'm actually using a kit. Like that her stickers are, you know, they were removable, and you'll see I picked them up and put them down a few times during this video, and they didn't give me no issues. I mean, I've used her monthly kits primarily thus far, so this is the first time I'm actually using a weekly kit, but I do really like it. I know I like writing on her papers, and I think I've used the Muji pens, and then it's like a big extra bold that I really love. I mean, what are some of you guys' favorite pens? Like I have a lot of pens, but I do have my favorites. If you guys don't know, I'm a registered nurse, and I think it was only fitting for me to come into this community because just from being a nurse, you kind of become obsessed with pens. I mean, I have. So, you know, I have my favorite pens, and those pens I will never lend out. I always have a pen that I'm okay letting somebody use if it doesn't come back. I mean, I'm just saying, but what type of pens do you guys use? I do want to start trying, like, I guess lettering, calligraphy. I found this book in Target last year sometime. Sad because I haven't opened it yet, but I want to use it to practice. I've always wanted to do that, and it's based off of like a previous like dream of mine that I had. So I think depending on, you know, how I do with it, I may really like put it to use. But I would really like to learn how to do lettering. I was looking around like, okay, who am I going to get my March monthly sticker kit from? And I think what I'm going to try to do is limit my spending in March. So what I'm going to do is I have like a few, you know, just like some of the sheets that you would buy from different shops, leftovers, as well as what it was called, the like sticker books from Happy Planner. So I think I'm just going to use that as like my monthly layout. I'm really trying to get serious, and I'm like going through to see what monthly subscriptions I'm going to cancel. Which hurts to say, but at least for a little while I'm gonna have to cancel, because I really need to throw what I can at debt. Like, there's so many things coming up, trips and, you know, major events that's coming, and I just want to get stuff done. It makes me sad because, all right, I'm gonna be kind of honest with you guys. Twice now I've taken my 401k that I had at a previous job, and I ended up cashing it out to put towards debt. And you know what I did? I racked the debt right back up. And the more and more I sit and like think about things and, you know, really trying to get a handle with my finances and everything, honestly, it really makes me want to cry, because I'm trying to figure out what exactly was going through my mind that said, Joya, this is okay for you to, again, swipe this credit card, put more debt back onto it, even though you literally just paid it off to zero. Put more debt back on it. And now be back in the same predicament you were just in. So it's really sad, and I'm really just, I really want to get a handle. I really want to get a grip. And I know definitely one of the ways that I'm going to have to do that is by decreasing my spending on planner stuff. And it's funny because my boyfriend is like, all these little packages that's coming to the house, what are they? I mean, he knows I plan, and like he sees my planner cart downstairs, but he's just like baffled when they come. Like, what is that? And actually, honestly, I've actually just recently told him that I actually filmed myself doing this and putting it on YouTube. Which I mean now has been like a weight lifted off my shoulders, but I think in the grand scheme of things, because I knew that this new habit of mine has caused me to spend as if I was like spending on like clothes and shoes like I used to. I was like embarrassed, like honestly and truly, I was embarrassed. And you know, for the most part, he knows, like, you know, my financial woes and stuff of that nature, which is crazy because he's in like wealth management. It's just crazy, guys. Like, you know, if you're someone who stumbles across this video, you know, hi, my name is Joya and I am a shopaholic. Like, it can be pretty bad, but you know, if I can give you any advice, I would definitely say forget about the trends, focus on you, focus on your four walls, and focus on your internal happiness, because I definitely think some of these things also came with any moments that I would be depressed. Like right prior to this, I was obsessed with buying makeup. Like I was buying a lot of makeup, and my boyfriend came into the room and was like, wow, you have a lot of makeup. It's you know, guys, it's a real thing. And you know, I definitely believe, and I'm so grateful that, you know, I found my calling when I was 12 and I knew that I wanted to be a nurse. But my God, I wish that I had better money management skills before getting into this career, because yes, I feel I make a pretty decent gross amount, and probably even net amount, that some of the woes that I have should be really irrelevant, but they're not, because managing the money isn't that great. Now, I again, and I truly believe, and I think this really comes from my boyfriend, is I contribute, like my new job has a 403B. I contribute to that because I already know that outside of all of my shopping and habits of that sort, I want to retire earlier than my than a normal retirement age. And with that, I know I'm going to need to put away money, and then plus I want to make sure I am getting the match that I can get from my employer. So I do that, but outside of that, like, you know, I owe the IRS, and that's another thing. Sometimes I feel like nurses automatically should get an exemption because sometimes what you have to deal with and things that you put above yourself, and like, you know, not that other people or, you know, other jobs or careers don't put, you know, others above themselves, but some of the sacrifice that nurses make in order to make sure someone else's loved one is cared for. Like, you can ignore yourself, you can ignore your own loved ones. I've missed parties and celebrations and babies being born and stuff like that because I'm working. And I really sometimes feel like nurses should get an automatic exemption, just like people get an exemption from children. I should get an exemption from being a nurse. I'm just saying, like, can somebody help us out? Can we get this passed? I'm just saying. But yeah, it's just crazy because for the amount that I make, I definitely should have way more in the savings account. I open up little investment things here and there, but I will start contributing to it and then I withdraw it because I done spent all my money down and now I have nothing, and I still got like a week or something of that nature till next payday, like stuff like that is crazy. I'm really tired of living paycheck to paycheck, so it's always better late than never, or you can always restart, you can always retry. So I've been using my budgeting app. I use YNAB or You Need a Budget. They actually have a channel here on YouTube as well. I started using them again, and I know when I used it before, I was so nervous because I'm like, oh my God, I'm forgetting to pay something, but actually I didn't. I actually just had money left over. Like, it was amazing. It was amazing. So I'm starting to use that again, and I'm prioritizing things, and thus far so good. My account isn't to less than $200 as of now. All my bills are paid, and yeah. Sorry guys, I definitely rambled on in this video here. Let's see, I'll just recap real quick some of the major things I have going on. My sister friend, hairstylist, her birthday party is this Saturday, and I'm so excited and so happy to celebrate with her. She so deserves it. My one girlfriend's birthday is actually Valentine's Day, so that's why I have the balloons down at the bottom for her. And then Sunday I have a church service with a organization that I'm a part of. Those are really the major things outside of working. I work on this weekly spread. I work Wednesday and Friday, but I worked Friday, Saturday, Sunday the weekend before. So here's a little quick recap. You can see how I decorated the whole spread. Hope you guys enjoyed.